Salamat pa sa kita na kanila.
Terms and conditions by law. Number 1, regular ones for member has tenure of at least 1 year in the group subject for approval of heads. Number 2, 10% assessment will be deducted to the total number from the total amount received in services rendered to the league. Subtracted by one spar and members has no right to question the said assessment because the sole rights for the assessment is directly earned by the group for whatever expenses, taxes, miscellaneous, and representation expenses and marketing needs the officers will be using. Assessment will be paid right after the date to appointed OIC. 2.1. No assessment given at the particular schedule are less priority to the next day's schedule. 2.2. OIC will report and collect assessment as stated agreement 2 and keep the record and relate to the person in charge for total rest of day and schedule date. Members will provide record notebook for payment and signed by OIC. Number 3. New member will undergo training for the rules and regulations of the group. 3.1. New member will undergo actual training up to 6 months and up for 100 days schedule. 3.2. Membership one-time payment of 500 pesos. 3.3. New member training member will pay 100 pesos for payment of venue and payment for the critical development outside of the group and other expenses including workout. 3.4. Failure to complete the daily module will not be a regular one-spar member. 3.5. No workout, no schedule. 3.6. Three consecutives in actual workout schedule subject to terminate membership payment and once for aspiring members. 3.7. All trainees and new members will undergo probationary rate of 300 pesos per day plus 10% assessment will be deducted to their take-home fee for the duration of 3 months. Number 4. Regular ones per member has a benefit as follows. 4.1. Identification card for validity of 2 years, 3 years, 5 years renewal. 4.2. Regular record training free. 3. Training free for the team and regular member, senior assistants, and whatnot. 4.3. Members are included in the rotation of every week's regular schedule rotation. 4.4. Yearly Thanksgiving party group assistance will develop and set higher needs depending on personal abilities. OSCOR has obligations to develop the referees to perform officiate and other activities. 5. Members are not allowed to officiate in the other leagues without any prior consent to OSCOR officers. Failure to do so is a violation of these bylaws of OSCOR rules. Recommendations will be endorsed by OSCOR officers to the founder and chairman of OSCOR for proper output and terminations of OSCOR. Number 6. OSCOR founder, chairman, has the sole decision for terminations with proper endorsement by OSCOR officers. All OSCOR chapters are openly released for laws and notification can be revoked by the officers after the final approval from OSCOR founder, chairman. 6.1. All uniforms will be designed and only officers and founder have the right to distribute and supply and use. Chapter OSCOR will ask permission to produce OSCOR merchandise with OSCOR logo if they want to produce certain OSCOR merchandise. Failure to adapt to abide rules are subject for termination. 6.2. All chapters heads will be found to become OSCOR officer of OSCOR provided if he is eligible to become officer. 6.3. Chapter heads can schedule weekly workout provided any officers or trainers Hindi kayo siya nakapito na kayo ng 2 beses, libo na kayo ng lista.
Malinaw. Number 1 pa lang, at least 1 year sa grupo.
Bakit ginawa yan?
O bakit natin ginawa to? Nandito yung mga dating ones para bumalik din na dati. Bakit natin ginagawa? No? Kasi karamihan dito sa atin, pag natuto na, sa sarili na, dinadala pa yung pangalan ng grupo. As long as wala kayong bilak nito, at hindi kami natin na-issue kayo ng ID, hindi pa kayo bonafide member na ones pa. Missionary kayo. Although nasa master list kayo, ng once par, manually, hanggang hindi nyo nakukumply ang requirements natin, hindi namin kayo as a member. Linaw? So, regarding sa assessment, dito, dati kasi 20-20 lang, hirap ang mabigay. After December, si founder ang mahihirapan. No? Kasi doon natin sinicentralize yung assessment na nagbibigay. Yung hindi nakukolekta, bono. Tapos, ang isa pang yung FPB, sino sa inyo may problema sa FPB, napupunta sa mga kausap natin yun. Kung inaakala nyo pupunta kayo sa bahay chairman nyo, mayaman na sana kayo yan. Mayabak na naman, hindi mayaman. No? Mahirap pa pag-usap, lalo sa bagong kliyente. Kailangan alam nyo yun, lalo sa mga barangay, mahirap talaga ano yan.
Rampol. Ivan, ano nangyari sa Leda? Kasi,
diba? So, ganun siya. Ganun talaga nangyayari ganun. Kung ano may declare ng chairman o ng presidente na presyo, yun na yun. Okay, pag may susobra doon, nakuha nyo yung pera, magtaka kayo bakit sobra.
hindi na kaya ang pera.
Ha?
Sige na.
So, yun yun. 10% assessment sa total income. Bakit 10%? 5% po ang assessment, 5% 13 months. Para ang plano kasi natin nasa Christmas party, pag gusto natin kasama na yung pamilya. Bahala kayo kung isa o dalawang pamilya sama.